Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. A domestic violence safety plan is a customized practical strategy designed to enhance safety for those living with domestic violence. It serves as a roadmap that prepares you for different situations and instructs you on the best course of action during higher risk scenarios. The plan considers physical safety and aims to protect emotional well-being, helping individuals regain control and establish a sense of stability in an otherwise chaotic environment. It helps victims of domestic violence prepare for potential crisis and details ways to seek help and support. More than just a list of emergency numbers and potential shelters, a domestic violence safety plan is a comprehensive guide for security and survival. It can cover everything from recognizing the warning signs of an imminent violent episode to developing an escape plan, gathering essential documents and items, and managing secure communication. To use our domestic violence safety plan, follow these steps. Download our domestic violence safety plan from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Follow the prompts in the template, tailoring each section to your unique situation. This includes sections for emergency contacts, safe places, important items, and support networks. Once you have filled out the template, review it carefully to ensure it covers all possible scenarios. As your situation changes, keep updating your safety plan. Share this plan with trusted individuals in your support network. This could include friends, family, or a counselor. They can be aware of your circumstances and ready to assist if necessary. Here is a sample of our domestic violence safety plan, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our domestic violence safety plan, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a range of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. If you are currently experiencing domestic violence, do not be afraid to seek help from your local refuge or contact your local helpline. In the description is a website link to all the domestic and sexual violence agencies around the world.